If you're a real estate agent, you've probably wondered, how much does professional real estate photography and video actually cost? So instead of giving you a vague answer, let's use our actual pricing here at HD Bros. Keep in mind, pricing can change, it can vary by market, and larger properties may cost more. But this will give you a good idea of what to expect. Let's start with photography. Professional listing photography with HD Bros currently starts at $250 for 20 photos, 35 photos for $325, and 50 photos for $400. And for larger photo counts, pricing goes up from there. For video, our walkthrough video starts at $250. Our cinematic listing video starts at $350. And if you want both horizontal and vertical versions of either of those videos, that starts at $525. For drone, if you only need drone photos, those are $250. If you only need drone video, that's also $250. Or you can bundle both drone photos and video for $350. Standalone floor plans are $250. Matterport 3D tours are also $250. So that pretty much sums up the individual products. But we also have packages. Our package bundles some of our most popular services together at a discounted price compared to purchasing everything individually. Our essential package starts at $475. This gives you professional photography, a horizontal cinematic video, and virtual twilight images. Our signature package starts at $575. That includes photography, a horizontal cinematic video, a vertical walkthrough video, and virtual twilight image. And our premiere package, that starts at $850. That includes photography, a horizontal cinematic video, an agent feature, a vertical walkthrough, a floor plan, and virtual twilight image. So depending on what you need, you can spend a few $100s on an individual service or $1,000 or more for larger, more complete packages. Now there's one other part of our pricing that's important to understand. You're not just paying someone to show up with a camera. HD Bros is a full-service professional real estate media company. So when you order with us, you're getting a trained real estate photographer, but you're also getting an entire team behind them. You have a professional editing team. You have customer support. You have staff helping scheduling, delivery, questions, changes, and everything else that comes up with your order. That's a big part of what our pricing represents. Quality, consistency, reliability, and support. If something changes with your listing, you're not depending on one person who's trying to shoot, edit, schedule, deliver, and answer every email themselves. There's an entire company behind your order. So when you're comparing pricing between real estate media companies, don't just look at the price, look at what you're actually getting for that price. At HD Bros, photography starts at $250, video starts at $250 to $350, our essential package starts at $475, our signature pack starts at $575, and our premiere pack starts at $850. From there, pricing can change depending on the property, your market, and what you're ordering. For our most current pricing, you can always find everything directly on the HD Bros website.